Sri Prakash Basumatary to take oath of office and secrecy as Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Council.
I, Sri Prakash Basumatary, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as the Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Council, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear and favor, affection, or I will. I, Sri Prakash Basumatary, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matters which will be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as the Executive Member of Bodoland Territorial Council, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the Executive Member. Thank you.
I now call